Fully assembled and armed, this magnificent Tu-128 Fiddler rolls out, ready for supersonic long-range interception.
Engineers are precisely shaping the Tu-128's aerodynamic nose cone to shield its massive airborne radar system.
Inside the factory, the massive Tu-128 Fiddler begins with its backbone, this ultra-strength titanium main spar. Watch these heavy duralumin ribs lock into place, forming the rigid cylindrical fuselage of the Tu-128.
Robotic arms are now rolling out and vacuum sealing the heavy aluminum skin onto the Tu-128's left wing. Next, the heavily armored cockpit tub is bolted directly into the Tu-128's forward fuselage frame.
These giant twin air intakes are now integrated to feed the Tu-128's hungry dual turbojet engines.
This reinforced central wing box is hydraulically pinned to the Tu-128 torso to endure high G loads.
The Tu-128's signature 56-degree swept right wing is fully sheeted, hiding massive internal fuel tanks.
The first of two massive Lyulka AL-7F turbojet engines is carefully slung into the Tu-128's rear bay.
With both Lyulka engines installed, the Tu-128 now possesses over 22,000 pounds of afterburning thrust.
Deep inside the wing roots, technicians are securing the Tu-128's ultra-rugged, heavy-duty main landing gear bays.
The dual-wheel nose gear system is now integrated into the front section of this Tu-128. The heat-resistant titanium tail cone is bolted on, framing the Tu-128's massive variable afterburner nozzles. This massive, sweeping vertical stabilizer is now erected, giving the Tu-128 its iconic high-speed tracking stability.
The all-moving horizontal tailplanes are attached to the rear, driven by high-pressure hydraulic pitch actuators.
The massive, powerful Smerch M radar dish is now slid directly into the nose of the Tu-128.
Technicians are dropping in the complete analog instrument panel inside this Tu-128 interceptor cockpit. Dual KT-1 rocket-assisted ejection seats are slid down the cockpit rails of this Tu-128.
Miles of high-pressure plumbing are routed through the fuselage to manage the Tu-128's massive fuel capacity.
The heavy trailing-edge flaps and high-speed ailerons are pinned to finish the Tu-128's wings. Four massive, reinforced underwing weapon pylons are bolted on to carry the Tu-128's heavy missiles.
An anti-corrosive silver tactical coating and the Soviet red stars are stenciled onto this Tu-128. The heavy, pressurized, steel-framed glass canopies are now fitted over the Tu-128 pilot stations. Fully assembled and armed, this magnificent Tu-128 Fiddler rolls out, ready for supersonic long-range interception.